Alright, here's a quick video on how to change the air filter. This is a 2023 HRV. The 2024 is the exact same process. You don't need any tools, but you just need one clean filter. And I've put a link below to this specific one that I'm using in the description. So really what you want to do is pop the hood, and there's two latches here and here. And when you go to take this out, there's kind of two tabs in the back, and you kind of want to pull out and up. Just like that. It's definitely not extremely easy to get it out. So there's the old one. You can take a look at it, see how filthy it is. New one goes in this orientation here. And you want to make sure the back two clips kind of go in first. And when you go to put these clips on, like, see, this is not easy. That means it's not seated in these back hatches correctly. Alright, there we go. Okay, and you're all set. Hope that was helpful. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.